Welcome to your sixth set of derivative rules. These rules will be shown in flashcard style so that you may study from them and or write them down so that you'll have your own set of rules to reference when solving derivative problems. Let's get started. If you have a function f of x equals cosecant of x, then the derivative of that function equals f prime of x equals negative cosecant of x times cotangent of x. The secant rule. If you have a function f of x equals the secant of x, then the derivative of that function equals f prime of x equals secant of x times tangent of x. The cotangent rule. If you have a function f of x equals the cotangent of x, then the derivative of that function equals f prime of x equals negative cosecant squared of x.
Alright you guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked this video, please subscribe for more. If you want more videos like this, please give this one a thumbs up. And if you want to connect with us, please leave a comment below and try to reach out to us on our social media pages linked in the description. Thanks and happy studying!